Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, FC26 build, environment, and recent backups. Once done, create a timestamped backup of config and database so you can revert quickly if needed. Next, capture logs, server logs, browser console output, and a network HAR file to identify errors. This gives you diagnostic data to act on. Make sure to note recent changes and deployments. These often explain sudden failures. From here you have context and safety. Now move to targeted fixes. You reproduce the error in a controlled environment so you can observe stack traces and variable states. Once you can reproduce it, compare the failing endpoints with working ones and inspect authentication, CORS headers, middleware, and route mappings to find mismatches. If code needs a fix, apply a concise patch, increment the build, and run unit and integration tests to verify behavior. Make sure to validate database migrations and schema changes. Mismatches, there often break FC26 workflows. You deploy the corrected build to staging and run quick smoke tests and user acceptance scenarios to confirm the issue is resolved. Once staging is green, deploy to production with monitored rollout and health checks. Make sure to watch logs and performance metrics. If errors spike or latency increases, roll back immediately. If problems persist after deploy, clear server and CDN caches, restart services, and reissue auth tokens. These simple actions often resolve residual state problems. If still
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.